how to get new user gift on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get new user gift on Temu. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. You will see the new user gift option on the home page of Temu. Tap on that and you will further be required to spin the wheel. So, go ahead and spin the wheel and claim the gift offered to you. So this is how you can get new user gift on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.